Summerlin at the Nighthawk community built by KB Homes. Today we're going to be previewing model 2114. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, please consider subscribing if you're into new build home tours. And make sure you guys like this video, turn on that notification bell so you're always going to be informed whenever I do these home tours. Now let's get started. This is a 2-story home, 3 to 5 bathrooms, 2.5 bath. This is a 2-story home, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 baths, 2-car garage. Base price starts at $533,990. We are about 30 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport, 35 minutes to the Las Vegas Strip, and roughly about 20 minutes from Red Rock Canyon. Let's walk in. This home has 10-foot ceilings, upgraded flooring, as it shows right here what all of this model is displayed with. To the left, this is the entry for the garage. To the right of that, you have a full bath, single sink, faucet, toilet, and shower tub combo. First bedroom. And then back towards the hallway into the main living area. Nicely done. Love how they furnished this one. Great staging. You have a sectional couch right here. Small coffee table. Lots of lighting. You got the dining table right in front, seats 6 people. You got a nice window right here. Beautiful kitchen with a quartz countertop. You got the 3 bar stool seating. And you get the gray cabinets. Stainless steel hardware. White dual side sink with the brass finish on the faucet. I like it. Beautiful backsplash. Built-in oven, and yeah, this is a microwave. So you got a built-in microwave, built-in oven, refrigerator not included. It's your pantry. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinets, stainless steel hood, stovetop burner right here. And here is your backyard. Okay, there is 192 homes being built in this specific community. There's 40 that have already been sold. Lot premiums are about starting at 0 to 54,000. This is a gated community. Here is the side of the house. And the average lot size is about 3,400 square feet. And this is a covered patio that's an upgraded feature. If you do that, they'll have pavers in from corner to corner. And just want to let you guys know that we do get calls every single day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas. So whether you're looking to move in 7 days or 3 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call with us. And we're happy to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. And check this out. Right above this fence, you have a beautiful view of the Las Vegas Strip directly across. So you have views like this for days in this community. And right here, we're going to show you the side of this corner. All right, let's go back in the house. And by the way, guys, we encourage you to bring a trusted realtor with you whenever you come to any of the new build homes or you're looking to purchase a new construction home. And that ensures that you receive expert guidance representation throughout the process. So if you need help, I'll leave my information below so you can reach out to me and I'll be happy to assist. Here is more storage underneath the staircase, also a coat closet. Here's extra storage all the way underneath here. And right when you get to the staircase, it's carpeted area, but look at this. Wow. Huge ceiling from this side. Lots of space in here. Okay, up to the second floor. And really quick, I'd like to remind you, if you find value and enjoy any of these home tours I do on the page, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, ring the notification bell. This way it helps us continue to grow the channel. All right, let's get back to the tour. Here's a view from above. And right when you get to the top of the stairs, there is this linen closet right here. You have this loft area. So apparently this closet, this feature has changed. So likely they won't be doing this anymore. I mean, this could be, I guess, a coat closet or another closet for you to put your stuff in. And let's continue to the left side. Here's the laundry room. And your two other bedrooms. This bedroom is converted into an office space. You do get a walk-in closet. Views for days. Look at the mountains. I mean, this is what we love about Vegas. You have so much mountain views in this corner of Summerlin. So if you like being next to the mountains, you love the outdoors, this might be a community to consider. Here's the second bedroom, or here's the third bedroom, actually. Full bath right here. Walk-in shower. This is a prefabricated shower. I love what they did with this combo, the white with the gray. Okay, moving on to the last part of this tour, which is the primary bedroom. Pre-wired ceiling fan. Walk-in closet. You have the attic access right there. Large windows to see the views. Okay, and here is your primary bathroom. Stand-up walk-in shower, quartz backsplash with a large bench, optional window above, dual sinks, you got your toilet right here, and your linen closet. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this home tour. Thank you for watching and see you guys on the next one.